Hey everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today is my birthday and the only thing I want to do for my birthday is eat and relax and just be kidless for a few hours and enjoy the time with my husband and just walk around, maybe do some shopping, get a drink, hang out. So that's what we're gonna do today.
Morning!
What is that?
It's a part that I got from school, and I got stuff in here, see? And there's one money in here.
Ooh, lots of treasures. All right.
And at the nighttime last night, we saw Santa and Mrs. Santa.
Oh, Mrs. Claus.
Mrs. Claus.
Yes.
Mrs. Claus helps Santa a lot because Mrs. Claus makes the food for Santa, does the laundry for Santa, does everything for Santa. And Santa and Mrs. Claus, they give presents to it. So Mrs. Claus, Santa doesn't have to do all the presents. Santa has 2 sleds for Mrs. Claus and Santa, so they can hand out presents for Christmas.
Yeah.
I think Mrs. Claus is gonna give us. Who's gonna give us? Mrs. Claus or Santa?
Santa, of course.
I think both.
Okay, so we are on our way to Nini's house so that Mommy and Daddy can have a special day together, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I would call it a date.
What?
I would call it a date.
You'd call it a date? We'll see. Hey, guy. What's up?
82.
Ace Boogie.
Hi.
Good morning, my love. Thank you for my card this morning. I loved your birthday wishes.
Did you love my birthday card?
I loved it so much. And I'm going to show everyone. I'm going to show our YouTube family what you gave me a little bit later.
Guys, and you remember that we had gymnastics and we were sad because we didn't get to go. But
Yes.
don't tell. We had chocolate. We had chocolate milk and we had a cake.
Shh, don't tell anyone. That is in a future vlog. I haven't posted it yet.
You.
But they will see in a couple days.
Bye.
Here we go. I can't wait to spend some time with my husband and just relax and go eat at my favorite restaurant ever. I will be taking you guys with me. I'm actually a pretty boring person because all I want to do is eat and like go to my favorite restaurant, and I do the same thing every single year. I mean, before I had kids, I always went to San Francisco and like went to Union Square and went ice skating, but since I've had kids, I just don't ice skate anymore, and I rarely go to San Francisco because it's a lot of work to bring 5 kids. I mean, we do sometimes, like we went to Alcatraz a couple months ago, and I did post a vlog of that if you guys are interested in seeing it. But this time, we're just gonna go eat. And that's all I want to do. That's what I look forward to. That's how you know you're getting old, when you look forward to eating good food on your birthday, and that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite restaurant and what do you guys like to do on your birthday? Do you guys like to spice it up and do different things, or do you always do the same thing every year? Dropped off the kids and we're gonna go hang out, have some fun time, and my husband got us Uber Black. Fancy. Hey. So we are downtown. Oh, we no kids. No kids. So we're just currently looking for a place to kind of like get a drink and an appetizer, and look how pretty these stores are. We just went to the Apple store. Oh, the tree. Let's see. There's a tree. So pretty. This is like an outdoor shopping place. Hey. So we are at beautiful Cheesecake Factory. My favorite. Looks like Vegas, huh? So we are in Cheesecake Factory, my favorite restaurant ever. And babe has got a, what kind of beer is that?
Lagunitas IPA.
And I'm gonna get, I think, a lemon drop or a passion fruit mojito. And I already know what I'm gonna order because I absolutely love it. I get the same thing every single time. What are you doing?
Checking my utensils.
He always checks it to make sure is it clean? Is it clean enough for you? Ew.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you. Thank you. If you can see, this is the appetizer menu. And my favorite is the warm crab and artichoke dip and the sweet corn tamale cakes. It's really good. It has like sour cream and salsa and cilantro and avocado on top. The lettuce wraps are good too. And what I'm going to order is a chicken Bellagio. I get this every single time. It's so good.
If you get that, pick the other one then, that way we can share.
Yeah, let's get one and then we'll get something else and we can share both. What do you want, the chicken Madeira or Parmesan herb crusted chicken? Cheers, babe.
Cheers, baby. 36.
36. 36. I like the sugar on the rim. It's good. Alright, the food is here. Wait, I'm doing a video first. He wants me to take a picture of it because it's so good. So these are the tamale, or not tamale, what are they called? Corn, sweet corn cakes. I forget what the name of it is. But they have sour cream and guacamole and salsa. It looks like some cilantro on top. They're absolutely amazing. If you guys have ever been to Chevy's, it's like, that's what it tastes like. The little thing that they serve on the side. And then this, excuse my lemon drop, is a warm crab and artichoke dip. It's so yummy. Dinner is here. We have some shrimp Alfredo angel hair pasta. And this is the chicken Bellagio I was telling you guys about. It has, I guess these are spaghetti noodles. It's like a pesto with a Parmesan crusted chicken with arugula salad and bruschetta on top. It's so good. And we ate most of our appetizers. So we're just finishing up our drinks. All of our food packed. Ed's trying to guess what I got him for Christmas.
Ooh.
Thank you. Oh, so we're bringing home warm artichoke crab dip for my parents for watching the kids as a thank you. Ed is trying to guess what I got him for Christmas. So it's the color black.
2 syllables.
2 syllables.
It's black.
And it's black.
It's not a tank top. It's not a ping pong.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
It's not tank tops and it's not a ping pong table. I'm not gonna tell you. You gotta wait till Christmas morning.
G-string.
No. It's a family channel, babe.
Yeah. Oh, hit it.
Okay, so we're gonna pay the check and get out of here. Look, carolers. Wow.
Mommy, Daddy, were you here?
I don't know, I wasn't here.
I think Daddy has helpers.
Daddy?
How pretty.
Daddy's helpers?
Wow, look how pretty.
I'm going back slow.
Oh good, my boots came in.
Sam, the elves did it. The elves did it.
So pretty, babe.
Oh, this is so pretty to add to Daddy. So
I think Daddy had helpers.
Who's the helper? We was not here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Daddy, did you make this party?
So cute.
Party.
I love it. Thank you, babe.
Oh, Daddy.
Where is he? Are you going to the bathroom? Thank you, babe. Look how cute.
Who decorated it, Mommy?
I don't know. Look how pretty. I love it.
Stay out.
And this is saving Nanny.
Ready?
And hey guys, and
It's
look at
Mommy's
these.
birthday today. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Whoa, hurry up.
Oh my goodness.
And we got everyone, and we got balloons.
Birthday, Mommy.
Such a pretty cake.
Here's everything.
Happy birthday. Ready?
Cameraman ever.
I'm not the worst cameraman. You guys, look at my hand, you guys. Look at my hat.
Oh my goodness.
This is the bed.
Well, thank you to my husband's helpers who,
Who's a helper?
I don't know. I think I have a clue though. I think it's Auntie Mary and Uncle Jay.
Yeah.
This looks like their style. Thank you guys. I love you so much. Hi guys. It is so awesome that I was able to have some quality time alone without the kids with my husband, because it's super rare having 5 kids, hardly any time together. And if we do, it's maybe like 15 minutes here, 20 minutes here, or maybe like 1 hour randomly where we like run in and grab a Subway real quick. We really don't have the time to sit down and have deep conversations besides, you know, at nighttime when we're like super tired. So it was really nice to be able to have that moment today to just kind of not worry about the kids and not think about anything and just have real conversations. Not only, you can hear my kids screaming in the other room, but anyways, it's gonna happen. Not only did we have an awesome time together, just literally walking around, doing some last minute Christmas shopping and eating at the Cheesecake Factory, which is my favorite restaurant ever. It was amazing. And that's all I really wanted to do, was just spend some time with him and eat. But it was the quality of conversation that we had about what our goals are in the next couple years and what we want to accomplish and what we want, and the things that we want to accomplish or we want to experience together in the next couple years are so exciting. And we're obviously going to have more conversations about it in the near future, but wow guys, I'm definitely going to be sharing these things with you as they come into play and as they get a little bit more real, but I'm excited for the future, and there are still some things on our list that we want to check off. So that's what I'm most thankful for today, and that's what I'm most excited for. And I'm also very, very thankful to my sister-in-law and brother-in-law, Jason and Mary, because I came home to a huge surprise of decorations and rosé and cute happy birthday signs and balloons galore and a gift card to Sephora. Yes, score. So thank you so much, Mary and Jay. I love you guys so much. I really, really appreciate it. To my husband, if you are watching, because I know you are super busy at work today, but I love you so much, and thank you for making my day very special. And one last thing, thank you guys, because you guys, I got so many emails and text messages and Instagram messages from people, just people that follow my channel that I hardly even know, that now I've been talking to and wishing me happy birthday and well wishes and blessings, and it really means a lot to me. So that's what I'm most thankful for today. Forget that I am another year older and I am now creeping up on 40, but I'm really excited for the future. I'm excited for the new things that we're going to be experiencing, my husband and I together. I'm excited about our journey to adoption. I'm excited about a lot of things, a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you for watching my birthday vlog. And then stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. It is Vlogmas Day 3. And I'm going to be sharing with you all of my Christmas traditions. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.